The Dangers of a Single Story is a TED Talk by African writer Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. In this speech, she provides us with examples on why it is important to know all sides of a story to avoid being biased into knowing half the truth. For instance, she explains that when she began writing, she always wrote as if her characters were white from a Western country, since she only read books from America and England. And then she began to read African books and was able to write about African characters and African lives. She also gives another example of when she moved to America to study, and her roommate believed that since she was African, she didn't know how to use a kitchen or electricity. The bias that Westerners have that Africans are uncivilized and lack the civilization perks that Westerners have is also a single story. And she also talks about the time that she believed that her houseboy was simply very poor and to feel pity for him because that's what her mother told her to. And forgot that he was also a very skilled person and came from a family that although poor in money was rich in other skills. She also provides us with literary references, and that shows that she's talking towards her other fellow intellectuals around the ages of 20 and 50, and also her languages of medium complexity. Her intention with this TED Talk is to educate and instruct others that sometimes we should not just believe the one side of the story we hear. It is important to be curious enough to know the whole truth and how many things you can find out if you do that. Thank you.